They say you. I don't get it. That's not what how James said it. You got him.
Nice job, Johnny! They earned it, buddy. If they win this one, they earned it.
They're 1-1? 1 win, 1 loss?
2 wins, 1 loss. These guys should be unbeaten, man. The South Colony team and the North Colony team is that good. They practice all the time. Come on, Noah!
And they face Niskayuna.
Tomorrow afternoon we face Niskayuna, 6 o'clock. A little low. Good pitch.
What about North Colony facing?
Shakers are our first game tomorrow, 1 o'clock.
Wow. Who are you texting?
The Shakers aren't. They're the B level of the.
Yeah, the Bisons are the A team.
Yeah.
But no, and they're like the A team. Like, they're the team to beat here.
Yeah.
Come on, Noah! Great pitch. Ooh, a little outside. It's all right. Come on, guys. No magic zapper. Come on, Noah. Shit, come on, man. Come on, Noah. Nice, nice. Is that really 2 outs?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because Johnny got the play there. Never mind. Good memory, me. Ooh, come on, Noah. Throw him strikes, Noah.
Who's gonna get you? Run.
Take your time, Noah. Throw him strikes.
Caleb, get somebody. It's not me or Whip or Skill. Oh, I'm not here. I got killed. I really don't know why you run.
Come on, buddy.
How many strikes are there?
3-0.
Oh, come on, Noah.
There. Nice job. Good job, Noah. Throw him over. This is Noah versus Noah. Nice pitch! One more, kid! One more, Noah! Good job, Noah. Keep throwing him strikes. I'm gonna shut these guys up. Got him! Nice job! Good time, too. The batter's out.
You can hear my dad.
One ball strikes out to end the game. Final score,
I have to go back.
Nassau 6, Westland Hills 7.